From hundreds YouTube soil mix videos, it's nearly quite impossible to choose the best one. But here I have my own soil with the result. There are two types of spider plant I do have in my garden. In this video you'll see one with the root and the second one I have with the bulb instead of root. Interesting thing about this plant is I can use my regular garden soil for this plant for both option. But I need to tell you something after soil making recipe. In the soil mixture I'm using small concrete to make the soil smooth to handle water circulation along with the charcoal and river sand. Now I wanted to tell you that I usually use my own soil and I do multiple trials with my plants. So I only share those videos which I can capture the positive result. And here's the result after reporting of 3 weeks. If I deserve a like for that, please hit the like button. Thanks for watching.